Alright, what's up guys? So it is 4 like something in the morning. I'm actually like letting the dogs out a little bit later. I start work literally at 4 o'clock in the morning every single morning now because I'm still kind of on East Coast time, so it's 7 o'clock on the East Coast. I don't know if you guys can even see me. I'm trying to do Vlogmas. I don't know how if I'm gonna do a vlog every single day, but I'm gonna try to do them as often as I possibly can for the month of December. So this is the first official one. So this is kind of what I do early in the morning. Wake up, take the dogs out, and start work extremely early in the morning. So I'm gonna take you along with me, guys, for today. Come on with you. Come on. Sorry, girl. Yeah, okay. What? You know, you cause a lot of trouble. You cause a lot of trouble. Yeah. Guys, so I'm on my lunch right now. So we actually bought this little portable mini washer machine. It's actually, I love this thing. The hose, which everyone says the hoses on these things for the drain plug has a crack, so we ordered a new one. Going to attempt to replace these. So as you can see, Garrus is just kind of looking. This is the replacement one, a little bit better quality. New clamps. She's gonna kind of flip it over on his side and take the thing off. So let's attempt to do this real quick. That connects to the pump. Should take this part off. I'm gonna keep that. Probably reuse that. See if I can slip this guy out. Just like so. Might reuse this clip. One there. Let's grab a new one. Other fancier clips. Let's see if this will mate up to that. It should. Okay, you don't belong there.
And of course, the MQBHD logo down at the bottom. This is a version of the bag that they've made just 10 of for me and the team here at the studios.
All right, so we gotta run to the hardware store to pick up some new screws for this piece. We're switching over the hardware on our dresser. See if we can find some more screws that are this long, but matches up with this, and it has a thick end piece or a washer or something. So see if we're gonna do that. This is, when we're gone, we usually leave the dogs like this. Put just a thing there so they don't get out, but this is pretty stable. All right, boys, you guys, gonna be good. Gonna be good. Don't really have to worry about Garrus. He's always Legion, the one who wants to get food. That's what I meant when I said he had behavior problems. It's not really like he doesn't, like he loves people. It's not like towards people or anything like that. It's just towards food. It's only food related that he gets a little bit crazy. When's the last time you've driven your car? So tight. Got a snake in here. Okay. Gonna get there. Oh my goodness. Okay. Oh. Oh. Oh wow. And forgot how nice it feels. Clearing. All right, so we made it to Lowe's. Pretty cool. It's like a giant parking garage in here. Pretty cool. All right, we're gonna go in there real quick and get this stuff. Let's do it. Yeah, it's a pink snook.
Yeah, I love it.
Like this though. Oh, June 37. Loaded up. The car. And just wait, I'm just gonna put this in the back seat, I think. First wash after the road trip. So I'm gonna end the video here. We just got back from the store. Actually, I'm wearing my Buffalo Bills hat. Someone said, hey, you're Buffalo fans? But I forgot, LA is playing Buffalo.
No, actually, it's what she said. They got those out there, implying that Buffalo doesn't have any fans.
Oh. That's so funny. Yeah, because I said we're from Buffalo, and she was like, they got those out there. That's funny. Actually, yeah. That's all we have out there. Everyone just wears Buffalo hats and Buffalo attire. Anyway, so I'm gonna end the video here. So this is day one of just a normal vlog. We had some fun, took the Veloster N out, and just had a good time. So we will see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.